Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this video, we'll guide you through a complete inspection of your brake system to identify why your pedal is hard to push. Ready to get your brakes working smoothly again? Let's get started. Why professional assistance is recommended. Professional assistance is recommended for brake pedal issues due to the complexities of the brake system. Brake systems are vital for vehicle safety, and any faults can compromise your ability to stop effectively. Experts have the knowledge and tools to diagnose and repair brake problems accurately, ensuring your safety on the road. Attempting to fix brake issues without the proper expertise can lead to costly mistakes and potential safety hazards. It's always best to trust trained professionals when it comes to brake system repairs. Solutions for a hard-to-push brake pedal. When faced with a hard-to-push brake pedal, there are several DIY solutions that you can try before seeking professional help. These solutions can help address the issue and ensure your vehicle's brake system is functioning properly. Here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix a hard-to-push brake pedal. Bleeding the brake system. One possible reason for a hard brake pedal is air or moisture in the brake fluid, which can affect brake performance. Bleeding the brake system involves removing air bubbles and replacing old brake fluid with new fluid. This process helps maintain the hydraulic pressure needed for proper brake function. You can use a brake bleeder kit to perform this task or seek assistance from someone with experience if you're unfamiliar with the process. Checking and adjusting brake booster. The brake booster is responsible for amplifying the force applied to the brake pedal, making it easier to stop the vehicle. If the brake booster is not functioning correctly, it can result in a hard brake pedal. Check the brake booster for any signs of damage or wear, such as cracks or leaks. Additionally, you can adjust the brake booster to ensure it is providing the necessary assistance when you apply the brakes. Replacing worn brake components. Worn brake components, such as brake pads, rotors, or calipers, can lead to a hard brake pedal. Inspect these components for signs of wear or damage and replace them if necessary. Worn brake pads, in particular, can cause difficulty in pressing the brake pedal and should be replaced promptly to maintain braking efficiency. By following these DIY solutions, you can address a hard-to-push brake pedal and potentially resolve the issue without the need for professional intervention. However, if you are unsure about performing these tasks yourself or if the problem persists after attempting these solutions, it is advisable to consult a qualified mechanic for further assistance. Remember, ensuring your vehicle's brake system is in optimal condition is crucial for your safety on the road. Preventive maintenance tips. Regular brake system inspections are crucial to ensuring your safety on the road. By checking your brake system regularly, you can catch any issues early on and prevent potential accidents or costly repairs. Inspecting your brake pads, rotors, and calipers can help you identify any signs of wear and tear before they become major problems. Regular brake system inspections. Checking your brake system at least every 6 months or as recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer can help you stay ahead of any brake issues. Look for warning signs like squeaking or grinding noises, vibrations when braking, or a longer brake pedal travel distance. If you notice any of these signs, it's essential to get your brake system inspected by a professional mechanic immediately. Brake fluid replacement schedule. Brake fluid plays a critical role in your car's braking system by transferring force into pressure. Over time, brake fluid can absorb moisture, leading to decreased braking performance. It's recommended to replace your brake fluid every 2 years or as advised in your vehicle's owner's manual. Regularly checking the brake fluid level and color can help you determine if it's time for a replacement. Proper driving practices to preserve brake system. Your driving habits can also impact the longevity of your brake system. Avoid abrupt stops and aggressive driving, as these can wear down your brake pads and rotors quickly. Instead, try to anticipate stops and brake gradually. Coasting to a stop whenever possible can reduce the wear on your brakes and extend their lifespan. Additionally, avoid riding the brakes, especially when going downhill, as this can overheat the brake system. By following these preventive maintenance tips, you can keep your brake system in top condition and ensure your safety on the road. Regular inspections, brake fluid replacements, and proper driving practices are all key components of maintaining a healthy brake system that performs optimally when you need it most. A hard brake pedal to push is a serious issue. It demands immediate attention to ensure your safety on the road. From vacuum leaks to brake booster failures, several factors could be at play. Regular maintenance and timely inspections are key. Ignoring this problem could lead to dangerous driving conditions. Always consult a professional mechanic to diagnose and fix any brake-related issues. Stay proactive and keep your car's braking system in top shape. Your safety depends on it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.